So here we have part 1 and we also have part 2, and the difference between these two codes is both of them have arrays that are both set the same size. It's going to be set to 10, but they have different starting values. So for example, array 1 0 is going to be 0, and array 2 0 is going to be 1. Now here we see that constant is basically what allows for a variable to be constant, and it won't change after being initialized and it tells you the data type. So 10 will stay as an integer and it won't change, or it cannot be changed. And then the reason why these two are about the same and they don't really differ all that much is the output. If we see right here, array 1 initializes as 0, 0, and so on, but array 2 initializes as 1, 0, 0, so on. This is because their starting values are different, but they output the same after being populated, because here in the function populate, it basically doesn't apply the stored value in the array, but the size of the array, and multiplies I times I instead of the value stored inside of the array. So basically saying the first loop of this for loop would be 0 times 0 because I starts off as 0, and then so on and so forth. I would then become 1, so it would be 1 times 1 equals 1, and then the next stored value in this array will change to whatever I times I equals, instead of using what was already pre-existing. And then these are the sources that I found through Geeks for Geeks and W3 School, and the links for them.